Hello and welcome back to a new video. That's especially for my American and English speaking viewers.
Yeah.
That here is Adrian.
Hey, how's it going?
Come from USA.
Yeah.
And have a Subi 2, a Forester, right?
Forester XC, yeah.
You just built it. Nice engine. Check out his channel. Here is a link. And you know my English not so good, and that's the best translator. I just try to tell him what we have here for setups and what's good, and now he can tell you a little bit about this.
Alright, this is original block. You can run stage 1 and stage 2 tunes on this. Stage 1 being everything stock except the pistons. We changed the pistons out to male pistons. They're better, they're right over here. So the difference being between factory here, you can see we have ringland failure most of the time on his when you run higher boost, and with the male piston, the ringland areas right here is a lot thicker.
Here you see the ringlet from an EJ20 engine. There was CK2, and Subaru do this small piston ring area there for better emissions.
These are the factory rods, so we'll match these up with the different piston for stage 1.
Yeah.
If you move to stage 2, we upgrade to forged rods as well as the male pistons.
Right. Yeah. The original rods isn't bad because it is good for something about 350-400 horsepower. Right. But it is pretty heavy. They try to make it a little bit lighter. Here is an Haupt-Kamera.
The angle, you can see how it's angled here to save weight.
Yeah.
And you look at here, the aftermarket one, the forged one, it's flat all the way across. Yeah, so we have this notch here.
Yeah.
For the stock ones, and it allows oil to shoot up here to hit the wrist pin area.
Right.
And with this canted just a little bit, it allows for better cooling on here, because more heat running here, you'll start bending and possibly breaking your rod under higher stresses, being higher boost.
Cool. Yeah. Okay, stage 3.
Stage 3, you're up in the horsepower to about 530 horses. That's what about can handle. But you do here, it's called a closed deck, which means you just close off all of these ports here, and you do that with a machined piece. It's pressed in.
Right.
And it allows for the upper cylinder area here to hold more pressure, because in this stage 1 and 2, it's prone to cracking right here where
when it flexes, right?
Where it flexes, yeah.
And then you have always head gasket problems. Everybody knows that EJ25.
Everybody knows that with EJ25, yeah.
Okay, when it isn't enough horsepower for you, 530 horsepower or something like this, we can go to this.
We can go here,
UT.
stage 4.
Right.
Only found in Germany, here at Subi-Performance. He's taken the closed deck idea and put extra cooling holes for the water, and it allows more water to go through around the cylinder walls.
Yeah.
Which equals cooler cylinder walls, which equals you can run a little bit more pressure, a little bit more boost.
Right, and it's very important that you have here at the top area a really good cooling, and when you have here these channels, you get more heat out of the combustion chamber, and so you can run a better ignition or something like this, or more boost. It is more safe, because you can't get you can destroy so easy. That is a sleeve like this here in it. You can destroy it so easy because it is really thick, but it is often so that you have a sleeved engine and you have a lot of heat problems. You can't have good ignition for a good boost, and have an engine who runs after 5,000 RPMs and till 8,000, but that's no performance in my opinion. Yeah. Cool. Yes, that was a short clip. I hope my English and American guys are now happy, because my English is so bad.
Yeah, it's pretty good. It's pretty good, man.
But
it's not bad.
in the last days or last weeks, the Russian guys go up. I think we have 30% American, also English-speaking guys at this channel, and now we have 20% Russians. So, bliats, go and subscribe.
Yeah, subscribe on his channel.
Nein, and his one, please. Yes?
Search me on YouTube, Adrian Billadou.
Yeah, I will do a link. Ciao.
Ciao.